So on the internet, I haven't had any luck finding how to remove the clutch line from the master cylinder for the clutch in the trucks, these F250s here with the 7.5 liter. So here's how to do it. So this here is a little screw, and I'm using it to push through the push pin with these adjustable wrench here. And it worked just fine. And I've got it out to this point here. And the screw is going to be screwed right out easy, and that thing can be popped right out. So once you got the pin out, right here, you can wiggle this and then pop it out. Next, climb underneath the front tire, look up at the transmission, and you'll see the slave cylinder. Use the pipe cutter and trim off the line right close to the braided section. And then go and have something to drink, because you got a whole pile of work ahead. This is the F250 slave cylinder, and I've put a flange on the end of this 1/4 inch piece of solid line coming out of this braided line here. Next thing to do is take the 1/4 inch tube that you've cut off the truck between the master and the slave. So you use it as a template and bend it in exactly easy pie, and then use your flange tool to put the fittings on the end so that it will all come tight. Make sure as well that you clean up all the edges with a file. Any rust that's on the line should be removed with some sandpaper or a file if you can. Those strange fittings right here. So right here I believe is the bleeder screw. So you gotta find the right size hex wrench and twist that open, and that should be enough to hopefully finish the job, or else I might be buying a new line depending on how well my flanges work. Alright, so that's what we're looking at there. Now I can install it with that thing sitting loose, and then hopefully pump out all the fluid and all the air and get to that point where it works good. Okay, I'm going to show you what I did under the truck. There it is, all installed. This thing pops out quite easily. You just move this clip here, pry it out of the way. Here's how you can avoid spending $130 on a line. Splice in there at the closest you can get to the braided section. And then up there it all runs through. That's that line running up to the master cylinder. We bled it last night, Nicole and I sat under here and I had this off and I pumped that back and forth like this, the piston in here, and that forced air up. I got some cat down here. Oh, my cat, there she is out there. Hey, Mustard. Ran about half a bottle of this through it, gone over it, hopefully everything's sealed up tight. We bled the system last night, built up some pressure, and it's time to test drive it.
Sorry, people, he is gone. I am so sorry. That was good.
Works good. Works good. Okay, cut. Can you do it, Rust? Can you get up there? Can you climb it? Ooh. What do you think, Rust? Okay, okay, okay.